Python, Java, JavaScript, CSS, app development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, robotics. These aren't just skills for adults anymore.
Introducing children early to these technologies builds problem-solving, logic, creativity, which are the essential needs for the future.
Coding from a young age helps kids understand the digital world and equips them to create, innovate, and lead in it.
In today's world, coding is as essential as reading and mathematics. Start early, think smarter, and empower your child with the skills of tomorrow. And it doesn't stop at learning. Competition like the Congressional App Challenge, USA Computing Olympiad, First Lego League, and the American Computer Science League give students a powerful edge that doesn't just build knowledge, they boost confidence, sharpen thinking, and strengthen college application to top-tier universities.
The robotics sessions were not only informative but also incredibly engaging thanks to the hands-on, kit-based learning approach. My child looked forward to every session and loved building real models while understanding core robotic concepts in a fun and practical way. I am truly impressed with the balance of theory, application, and competitive exposure.
Thanks to Winquest, my kids have started enjoying their studies and feel much more confident now. We have noticed a real improvement in their grades compared to before. It's great to see them more motivated and positive about learning.
Start nurturing your child's future today. Invest in their skills, passions, and limitless potential.